Today I'm going to show you how to make money just like this with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. Okay guys, the method that I'm going to show you today I never shared before, and I think that actually nobody on YouTube shared this method before. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. And this method is 100% free and it is beginner friendly. And I got questions from many of you asking me, can I apply this on ClickBank? Yes, you can apply this same method on ClickBank, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ShareASale, Amazon, or any other affiliate network. So first thing we need to do, we actually need to choose our topic, and that topic should be a broad topic that has lots of popularity, because we're actually going to use a free traffic source that doesn't have that much competition. And first thing we need to do, we need to make a PowerPoint presentation. And I know what you are thinking, well, you said 100% free. For PowerPoint, for Microsoft Office package, we actually need to pay. Don't worry, there is a free alternative, and it is equally good as PowerPoint. So first thing we need to do, we need to make our PowerPoint presentation. If you don't know how to do that, doesn't matter. You can simply come here on ChatGPT, and here you can simply give it prompt like this. Give me full data for PowerPoint presentation on how to lose weight with the keto diet. I chose keto diet as my main topic, okay? And here you need to choose English in this case, but you can choose any of these languages here. I will stick with the English, and then simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will actually give you all the data that you need in order to make your PowerPoint presentation. So now we actually need to make our presentation, and PowerPoint is paid software. So best free alternative is actually Google Slides. As usual, Google actually made alternative, and it is equally good as PowerPoint. So what you need to do, you simply need to log in with your Gmail account, and then you need to click here on blank. And now we will create a new PowerPoint presentation, but this time in Google Slides. Now you can create a presentation from scratch, as you can see here, or here on the right side you can choose one of these themes here. So for example, let's just say I wish to use one of these themes. So let's just say, for example, I will use this theme here, okay? And also, if you don't like any of these themes here that are available, you can simply go on this website here called Slides Go, and here you can find free PowerPoint and Google Slides themes. So, and here I will simply search for keto and press enter, and here you can see there are available keto available themes for Google Slides. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this one here. All I have to do is just click here, give it a second, and then click here on download this template, okay? And here you can actually choose Google Slides. Do you wish Google Slides theme or PowerPoint theme? Click here on download this theme, and you will actually need to choose Google Slides, and you will need to log in with your Gmail account, and you will download this to your desktop. After that, simply go back here on Google Slides, click here import theme, and then click here on upload, and click here browse, and upload that theme here on Google Slides. But I will use one of the themes that are available here. So first I need to create a first slide. So I will simply go back here on ChatGPT, who actually finished this. And here you can see my first slide will be what is keto, okay? Control C for copy, and I need to go back here and double click here, and I will paste that here. So actually I need to delete this. So I will simply delete this, and I will actually make this to be, let's say, bold, and let's just say, for example, to be 48. And I can actually move this, so I will simply move this, okay? I will move it like this. Bit more here, and also subtitle. Now I don't need subtitle in this case, so I can simply go back here and I can simply copy this, okay? Control C, and I can actually double click here, paste that here, and I can actually also make this to be larger. Let's just say, for example, to be 24, and I will actually make this to be wider like this, and actually I'm going to move this, okay? Move it up. Just like this. And also I will change this to be, let's just say, like this. And this is my first slide, okay? And for example, when I right click here, I can actually change my layout. I can change, here you can see all the available layouts for this theme here. Also, I can change the background when I click here, and when I choose here, let's just say, for example, I wish to be yellow. Here you can see, when I click here on done, now my background is yellow. And again, I will right click here, and I will also click here, change background, and I can also choose an image, and I will use Google Images, and that is what I suggest you to use Google Images. And here I will simply search for keto diet, okay? Keto diet, press enter, and I can use any of these images, and these images are royalty free, and that is really important. You need to use royalty free images. And let's just say I wish to use this image here, and click here on insert, and then click here on done, and as you can see, they added this image in the background. So this is my first slide. Second slide, I simply need to come here on the left side, right click here, and I can actually skip the slide, I can duplicate this slide, or I can simply click here on new slide, and I will create completely new slide, and I can choose a different theme for this slide here. I don't have to use same theme like I used in my first slide. And then simply go back here on ChatGPT, and this is my second point. Control C, go back here, and I can paste that here. And again, I will actually delete this, and I will actually make this to be, let's just say, for example, bold, and I will actually make this to be, let's just say, 36. Okay, that is too large, let's just say 24. Okay, and I need to go back here, and I'm going to copy this part here. Control C, and go back here, click here, and paste that. And again, same thing, I will actually make this to be larger, to be more viewable, okay? And let's just say 30, okay? 30, and I will actually make this to be center. So I will click here and click here, okay? And you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually add my affiliate link? So what we need to do, we actually need to find our affiliate products. So I can simply go here on Digistore24, and I can click here on Marketplace. And here I can find keto related products. So here I will simply search for keto and press enter. And here I can find keto related products, and I can promote any of these products here. And then what I need to do, I simply need to go back here on Google Slides, and then I can simply highlight, let's just say, for example, I will highlight this, okay? And then right click here, and you can actually click here on link. And here you need to paste your Digistore24 affiliate link, ClickBank affiliate link, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or doesn't matter, whatever affiliate link. Click here on apply, and now this is your link, your affiliate link. When someone click on this, and if they buy this product, you will actually earn an affiliate commission. And same thing, you can actually click here, right click here, and you can duplicate this slide here, and you can change it any way you want. Play with these guys just to see all the things that you can do. You can add different graphs, different font styles, different themes, all kind of stuff. You can add this. It is exactly the same. It is good as PowerPoint, equally good. And you can make great presentations by using Google Slides. Now this is important part, so pay close attention. Now to download your presentation, what you need to do, you need to click here on File and then Download. And here you can see you have different options. This is what I recommend. To download Microsoft PowerPoint file, okay? Click here, and after that also download PDF document, because many of the websites, they actually do not accept PowerPoint files. So you will have to upload PDF file. That is why you need to download both PowerPoint and also PDF file. And let me show you an example of one of the presentations that I actually made. And this is my presentation, and this is how this actually looks. As you can see, it looks really good. And you can make, like I said, really good presentations in Google Slides. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to now start uploading our presentation on different kind of websites in order to get as many eyes as we can on our presentation, where we actually added our Digistore24 affiliate link or ClickBank affiliate link, doesn't matter. And in order to get as much traffic, as much clicks as we can in order to start making sales. So what we need to do, we actually need to go on one of these websites, for example, on SlideShare. SlideShare is getting more than 100 million visits every month. So here when I search, for example, for keto and press enter, here you will see that there are keto related documents here on SlideShare, but there are not that many PowerPoint or Google Slide presentations. And people like presentations because they show bullet points. They show only what is most important, and that is why people like presentations, okay? So what we need to do, we need to register for a free account, and after that we need to click here on upload, and we need to upload our document, and we need to click here on select documents to upload, and let me find the document. Okay, this is the document. Give it a few seconds, actually confirm that you are not a robot. And now we actually need to add title. We need to optimize this document in order to rank as high as possible on SlideShare, but also on Google as a search engine. So I can simply go back here on ChatGPT and I can actually copy this, okay, and use it as my title, okay. Control C, go back here on SlideShare, and I will use that as my title, okay. Description, same thing. I can go back here on ChatGPT and I can use this, for example, for my description, okay. It is really important for your title, your description, to contain your main keyword, okay. Here I need to choose category, so let me just find the category, okay. Healthcare, okay, healthcare, let's just say healthcare, and here tags also should contain your main keyword, so let's just say keto, okay, keto diet, and also keto, okay, keto, and I will add just these 2 tags, but you will add more tags that are closely related to the topic of your Google Slides presentation. Choose here public, and all you have to do after that, click here on publish, and that's it. You will upload this file on SlideShare. And SlideShare, like I said, is getting lots and lots of visits every month. But you need to upload this file, this document on this presentation on as many websites as you can. So you need to upload this document also on Scribd. Scribd is also getting more than 80 million visits every month. Also upload it on PDF Drive, upload it on PDF Coffee, upload it on Calameo, upload it on as many websites as you can. Like I said, it is important to start getting as many people to start reading your PowerPoint, your Google Slides presentation, in order to start getting more and more people to click on your affiliate link and start buying the product that you're promoting. This method doesn't require any special skills, doesn't require any expensive softwares. It is 100% free, but it does require to invest some time and to invest some work. If you do this for, let's just say 1, 2, probably 3 months, you will start getting clicks on your affiliate links, and you will start making sales. You will start making money with ChatGPT and Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.